Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A quick update on my eye. It's back, but not the same. It looks a little different. The fold is a little smaller, but that is okay. I'll take it. For today's look, I want to do something different. I don't know what to call this look yet, but once I achieve it, once I feel it, and then I'll name it. So let's get started. I noticed a trend where instead of lining their eyes upwards, a lot of people apply their lines like straight across, and that's what I wanted to try today. I did try a couple times and I don't know why I just failed. So today I'm gonna try it with tape. I've never tried it with tape before, so hopefully it works out. I'm just going to apply the tape right across like this. I didn't tape it like straight. I did give a little angle. Hopefully it turns out okay. But we're experimenting today. We're testing new looks. There we go. I think this is good. First, I'm gonna apply concealer, just a little bit on my lids. This is just gonna give it a nice base for the shadow and just to have something there. Why is it separating? Why is it separating? What is going on? I'm gonna retape my eyes and reapply my concealer. I'll be back. Okay, so I retaped, I reconcealed, and I put powder on it. That never happened before. I don't know why it just randomly started separating. All right, I'm gonna first start with this color right here. So I'm gonna take this color and apply it all over my eyelids as a base. And I'm also gonna take it up to my crease. So my tape is already lifting, and I think it's because I have really watery eyelids. Not eyelids, really watery eyes. It's a funny story. When I was in Korea, I went to the eye doctor. Why did I go to the eye doctor? I forgot why I had to go to the eye doctor, but I went to the eye doctor for something, and then just out of the blue, I was like, oh, I also get really teary. So then he started like checking my tear drainage. I don't know what he did, but he put some like drop in it, and he was like examining my tear drainage. Tear duct? No, tear drainage. And then he was saying that my tear drainage is clogged and I need to open it up. I was like, huh? Like, I didn't even know like you could even like open that up. So he's like, come back tomorrow and we'll do the procedure. Like, it's not surgery, it's just a simple procedure. Now I'm gonna take this color right here and then apply that closer to my lash line. Anyway, so I go in the next day. Like, he numbed this area with like a needle. He told me to close my eyes because I can't open my eyes. He started putting pins inside the tear drainage, like open them up and to like unclog it. And I was like really scared at first because I don't like medical procedures or anything. I just don't like it. So I was really scared, and then my sister-in-law told me that, oh, like my mom did it and she said it was fine, it didn't hurt. So I trusted her. When he started numbing me and started putting the needle into my tear drainage, it was so painful. It was so bad, and I was literally screaming. And my mom was telling me how everyone in the waiting room was like scared for me. They're like, what is going on? Because like, you're at the eye doctor and you don't expect other patients to start screaming in pain. I did take a picture, and I took this picture while my eyes was closed. Here's the picture. It is pretty disturbing, so beware, but I will post a picture like right here. If you ever go to the eye doctor and the doctor says we need to unclog your tear drainage, just run. It's really painful. But anyways, even though I got that procedure, I still have very watery eyes. So that procedure was not worth it. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown with a smaller brush and then apply it very close to my lash line. So now, like, I kind of get scared when I tell something to the doctor because I'm scared that like he's gonna say I need to do some kind of procedure. So that's a new fear unlocked. Now I'm just blending out the dark brown. I think that looks pretty good. Now with the liner brush, I'm gonna take the black and then use this to line my eyes. So I guess the question of the day today is, what's the weirdest or the scariest medical procedure you have done? Because like, I didn't know that you could stick needles into your tear drainage, and I think because I'm scared of needles, knives, and all of that, like I can't get plastic surgery. Because, you know, if you watch my last video, I talked about my eyelids, and eyelid surgery in Korea is very common, like so common that it's not even considered a plastic surgery, because like a lot of women and men get the surgery. Yeah, it's not called a surgery, they call it procedure. I know that some people that go through what I go through get their eyelids done because like it's annoying, right? But I can't do that because I'm scared of like going under. So that is why I'm suffering with different eyelids every day. Now let's remove the tape. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so whatever I applied on top, I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, applying the first color. I'm gonna go in with the second color. But with the second color, I'm just going to apply it halfway, not all the way. So this is the dark brown, and I'm going to apply it pretty much on my lash line. And then I'm gonna connect this to my wing, just like that. Doing the same thing, putting it very close to my lash line, connecting it to my wing, and then dragging it inward. And then lastly, going with the black. And I'm just going to very lightly, with the tip of my brush, line my lower lash line and then connecting it to my wing. Okay, now with the nude liner, I'm just going to line outer half of my lower waterline, and this is just going to help make my eyes look a lot rounder and bigger, and it's also going to brighten my eyes, so you could see like the difference, how this eye looks a lot brighter than this side. Now to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to take this shimmer color right here and then apply this right up here, and then also going to apply it right here. And then now I'm just going to take my liner and line my eyes. I'm pretty much going to follow where that line is. For my lashes today, I'm gonna use these lashes. This is actually from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Why do I keep saying booty? Huda Beauty. My friend gave me these and I wasn't able to wear them because they were at my husband's house while I was in Korea, because I brought them when I visited him, and I found them recently in my bathroom drawer, so I'm going to be using them. These are really long, so I cut them in half and I'm just gonna apply the half lash. Half lashes are honestly so much easier to apply. Why does it feel like this side is longer than this side? Let's finish the rest of my makeup. I'm using a cushion foundation today. This is the one by Laneige. It's the Neo cushion in matte, and I am color 23N. I feel like my lashes is dragging my eyes down. I don't know if I like these lashes. I think it's because it's so long in the front that it just makes my eyes look sad and droopy. I might have to switch out my lashes. Yeah, these lashes ain't it. So I took off my lashes and I just put on individual ones, and I think that looks a lot better. I put on my blush, my highlight. Now let's move on to my lips. For my gloss, I'm just taking a neutral lip stain. Okay, and now I'm just gonna wear my contacts. I just threw on some gray contacts. These are Olen's Real Ring in gray, and I usually don't look good in gray contacts, but these look pretty good, because like usually when I wear gray contacts, even though it's gray, it still looks brown on me. But these look really, really great, which I like. But this is my final look today. I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of look like a sad girl. Like, oh, I look sad. I wanted to try more of a straight wing liner, and I think I achieved that, which is good. But what do you guys think of this look? Comment below. I want to see what you think. Or if you don't think it looks good, what can I do better next time? Anyways, thank you so much for joining me while I get ready. Like this video and comment your favorite book or book that you're currently reading. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!